Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Inshallah, in this lesson, we will practice 3-letter words with the vowel fatha, so with the sound fatha. Just pay attention to the strong and weak letters and how we change from weak to strong constantly. طيب. رقادة 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 ركضا شتما شطبا خصفا خسفا نصارى نسبا مسح سمح بخس بخص طالب بطل فرغ غفر مكر بركة حرث حرس قنت قنط فرض فرد ختم خطب طمس طمث رقد ركد حذر حضر مرد مرض همز همس قدم قضم كنز كنس قصف كسف آدم أبقى أهل برز بطح بقر برم بدر batasha. So here, if we can just look at this. So in the Arabic language, sometimes, and in the Qur'an, you will find that there are certain type of writing. There's different types of writing, and it's just there to beautify the writing and make it look nicer. And sometimes people might look at this and think, okay, what is this letter, because I've never seen it before. And this is a ta. So these are just some things that you might have to recognize and remember. And they're not frequent, they're not all the time. It's just some words they write it like this, just to make it look nice. So this form here is a ta, and you find it on top of jim, ha and kha, like this, where you will have this shape, and then you'll have 2 dots on top of it, or 2 dots at the bottom. If it has 2 dots on top, then this is ta. If it has 2 dots under this line here, then it's a ya. So here we have ta, ja, and then ra. Tajara. Thaqaba. Thabara. And you can see how I'm changing from weak to strong. So I'm saying thaba, and I'm not going ra, I'm saying thabara. Janaha. Jabara. Jamada. Jada'a. Jabala. Jara'a. So with this, alhamdulillah, we've concluded our lesson for today. So inshallah, please read this as many times as you can, just so you're comfortable with reading the letters and words with fatha, and also transitioning between strong and weak letters. Barakallahu feekum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.